Hi, Greg Wayman here, Foundation to Rooftop. I am on a house built in the 1920s, and we're up in an attic. I wanted to show you, somebody's run Romex up here with junction boxes, making you think that the knob and tube has been disconnected, and sometimes it's a little deceiving. So this stuff here is all still live. There's even some here in the covered up with cellulose, which you're not supposed to do. It's supposed to have 3-inch clearance to combustibles so it doesn't overheat. Knob and tube wiring is the old stuff. The sheathing gets very brittle. Mice like to chew on it, and it can be considered a fire hazard. So anytime I run across this in an attic space, the recommendation is to have a licensed electrician come up here, remove all of it to make it safe, and replace it with newer wiring.